Today is a good day. Tonight will be even better. Why? Because you're about to learn easy throat exercises that cure, not just treated, your stubborn snoring, in 3 minutes, starting tonight. Even if straps, sprays and even torturing CPAP masks have failed you in the past. Most people heal their snoring in just a few minutes per day using these powerful throat exercises. Christian Goodman's The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is an 3-minute exercises solution for snoring and sleep apnea. It is an online system that provides you with natural exercises to complete that tackle the root cause of your snoring and sleep apnea. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program bonus. Stress relief. Concentration. Weight loss. Stop smoking. Confidence. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Program Pros. Designed by expert. Very easy to understand. 100% natural. Easy to follow. 5 VIP bonus. Step-by-step instructions. No side effect. Suitable for all people. Low price. 60-day money-back guarantee. 100% money-back guarantee. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program cons must follow the instructions for best results. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is created by Christian Goodman at Blue Heron Health News. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is really easy to follow. The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. And they're so easy, you can do them, regardless of your age or physical shape. Use them anytime, anywhere, even while stuck in traffic or watching TV. Plus the results are permanent. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, click link in bio.